What I have here is the ultimate emergency kit for roadside. So this is obviously something that's going to stay in your car, should be in your car at all time. And I'm going to show you everything that comes with it. But let's first look at the actual nice little carrying kit bag that covers it. It's really, really nice and everything fits in it. Now, speaking of what's inside, let's look at everything here. So first off, I'm sorry, but so many people have, these things that you can inflate tires of. But like, if there's a hole in your tire and you want to punch it, most people don't have a punching kit, and this is exactly it. You have everything. You have the glue. You have the actual fiber material that you're going to punch it in with, and you've got the actual puncher here. So, and both of them here. The one that will use the fiber, and the other one that will just drill in. So that's a really cool thing. I rarely see this in roadside car kits. You've got a nice reflective vest if you're gonna be outside and maybe it's at nighttime, you wanna be definitely visible. So that's right in there. If it's raining, a poncho. How cool is that? So you've got a poncho right here. That's great. Gloves, if you're going to be around your tires, you want to be able to have grippy with gloves so you can actually see the grip on there. That's a really cool thing. You're not going to get too dirty. The other thing, of course, we were talking about tires. You even have a little mini compressor. How cool is that? The mini compressor will work with your 12-volt battery right there with that car adapter. But how cool is that? This is an actual proper 250 PSI. So you can do cars, you can do vans, you can do trucks with that kind of little compressor. That's awesome. So that's included. You're on the side of the road, you have your vest on, but you want to make sure your car is still visible. You can actually have those little, look at this, I'll show you what these are. Look at that. You go like that, boop, boop, and then you have nice little cone, reflective cone on the side of the road to make sure that people are able to see you. That's a must and that's included. Now, again, we're all about nighttime. They even give you a nice little flashlight. The flashlight comes with the batteries, which is really nice. I'll show you. The batteries are right here and that is included. So that's cool. You've got that. And I think every car should have at least a flashlight like this. So this is included as well. You do have your pencil gauge, and that's for, again, your tire. So that's going to be put in that end of your tire valve here, and you're going to have the gauge to see if you've got enough pressure in here. So that's great. What is this? Let's see what this is. Oh, look at this. You've got a tow rope. Look at that, a really heavy duty. So if you are in a jam, maybe your tires are stuck in the mud somewhere, you need to tow out or help yourself to be towed with another vehicle perhaps, this will do it. And this is sturdy enough and heavy duty enough. That's really nice. Rarely see those as well. Let's look at something that of course every car should have, is that emergency window breaker and seat belt cutter. So that right here is your seat belt cutter. If you're not able to, unbuckle your seat belt, you can actually just cut that seat belt right off with this, because if you didn't have that, you wouldn't be able to do it. And then this little piece right there, you take that out and you can just punch in. We gotta be careful with this. You literally will just punch out, and not a huge amount of force. Anyone can do it. Will be able to break that glass so you can exit the vehicle. So that's a really cool thing to have as well. And I love how everything is super visible. You've got orange. So you definitely, they're definitely on, you're going to be on the lookout, or people are going to be on the lookout for you. I'm not going to open all of this, but look at this. You even have jumping cables, and those are really heavy duty. You've got the positive and negative, and of course, long enough to be able to connect to another vehicle. That's awesome. But it doesn't stop there. So this was all to kind of like take care of your vehicle. But what about taking care of yourself? Well, you've got a little first aid kit. So I'm sure we're going to find some basic stuff. I'm going to move this just like that. You've got some gauze. You've got oh yeah, this is great. This is an emergency blanket to keep that heat up. You've got more gauze, more wrapping, some wound wrapping. You probably have some, yep, we do have those scissors, pins, obviously a little first aid kit, at a basic advice for your first aid kit, and then of course Band-Aids, and I'm assuming this will be alcohol wipes as well. So look at that. Everything that you see here on the table fits neatly into this carrying bag. This will fit in your car, in your trunk. Highly recommend everyone that owns a car should get one of these.